Hey, be quiet, I'm trying to do a YouTube video.
Eat it.
Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech5. Today, we're gonna be looking at the iPhone 12 Pro. I just got it in, gonna do a quick little unboxing and do a little overview of this thing. Let's check this thing out. Welcome to the iPhone 12. iPhone 12 has the capability of using 5G networks. It's made with a ceramic shield that totes a 4 times better drop performance on the glass, and is made with a surgical grade stainless steel that comes in 4 different finishes: Pacific blue, gold, silver, and graphite. The iPhone 12 Pro features a 47% larger lens, resulting in better low-light photos, 5 times optical zoom range, new optical image stabilization, and the new 65mm telephoto camera that lets you zoom in tighter on portraits. The iPhone 12 Pro has less bezels and more screen, using a 6.1 Super Retina XDR display. Compare this to the iPhone X, you're definitely getting more screen. It also features a new chip. The A14 Bionic chip is up to 50% faster than any other smartphone chip, toting a 11.8 billion transistors and the first 5nm chip in the industry. 16-core neural engine and up to 70% faster machine learning accelerators. Setup is easy. You can easily transfer all of your old data from your old phone onto your new one using your network. One of my biggest complaints about this phone was that I feel as if I was lied to by Apple. Now, they made this whole big deal in their little press release that they were being more environmentally responsible, that they were going to be cutting down on waste, and they were so proud of themselves for making this choice and deciding to not ship wall chargers with their iPhones any longer. And that was fine with me. I'm okay with, being more environmentally conscious, trying to help out the environment. I'm good with that. I'm fine with that. I'm on board. So I wasn't really too upset. I have plenty of wall chargers here. I could have found a different one. But unbeknownst to me, until I went to unbox this thing today, did I find that, well, it plugs in like regular on one side, but the other side is USB-C. And that becomes an immediate problem because I can only plug USB-C into my computer currently. But I sure do have the option in buying some new chargers, with being the MagSafe or a wall USB-C. So much for saving the environment. I think that we were really just being prodded to boost some sales and revenue. So I feel a little bit betrayed there and fairly annoyed. Now, aside my nuance with the wall charger fiasco, I don't think this is a bad pickup. With so many other models to choose from, there's bound to be one that fits everyone's preferences. So, I don't think it's a bad time to upgrade. Unless you have an iPhone 11, I don't really know what the point would be. I'd probably wait. But, aside that, might be time. That's going to do it for the video. As always, if you do have any other questions, please do not hesitate to ask. I do not mind helping. I really don't. I hope you can like, hope you can subscribe. And if not, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe. A tech vibe, specifically. We'll see you.